Hey, who doesn't like some fresh pineapple cut up? Oh, it's delicious. I was in the store one day with pineapple, and the lady behind me said, "Oh, I love pineapple, but I don't know how to cut it up." So this one's for you, lady in the grocery store waiting behind me. First, you just twist that top right off. By the way, that's the part you plant. If we lived in a tropical region, it's a week before spring and it's snowing. I wish we lived in a tropical region. Okay, make sure you wash this baby off nice and good because we're also going to make pineapple drink when we're done. I love this knife. It is serrated. You really need a knife that's got some bite to it. So put this down and cut both ends off. Okay, like so. Now you're just going to cut it into quarters. Okay, now at the top of the triangle peaks there on each one of these, that is the core or the center of the pineapple. Now, it's very tough and fibrous, so we're going to cut that out. However, we're going to keep it, don't discard it. It's actually loaded with nutrients, especially an anti-inflammatory called bromelain. So we want to hold on to that. Set these up on the end, grab a different knife, and just slice those right off. Like so. Karate chop time! Do them all. Next, slide your knife blade carefully all around that entire piece, and the little pieces of candy will just fall out. For a variation, you can make uniformed, even smaller pieces of pineapple by cutting down horizontally first. Make vertical cuts and slide the knife blade all the way around. All right, let's make some pineapple drink now. Shout out to my friend Steve from Jamaica for telling me about this recipe. Oh yeah. The pineapple is so important in Jamaican culture, it's even on their coat of arms. It symbolizes welcoming and hospitality. So welcome. Okay, put everything in the big pot, all the pieces. Now get some fresh ginger. I think ginger ought to be measured in thumbs, so about 2 thumbs of ginger. Slice it all up. Add about a cup of brown sugar, the dark brown sugar. That has the molasses in it. Okay, cover that with water, bring it up to a full boil, then cut it back and just let it simmer. You don't want to boil this because you don't want to lose all of the water. So just let it go nice and slow, about an hour and a half. Just keep checking it to make sure too much water does not evaporate. I could not wait to taste this. You would take a colander and dump and strain, but I just got right in there. Wow. It tastes spicy from the ginger, and I like this nice and hot. It tastes like apple cider with some burn to it. Very spicy, fruity flavors, nice stuff coming through. It was even better the next day. So serve it hot or serve it cold. It's all good. Thanks for watching Cooking with Mrs. B.